name is Sat Kumar. My registration number is 20BC0422. I am going to explain about my project, the mini weather station. Now let's go to the project. First, let me explain the components that I have used. I have used a DHT double-on sensor which can measure the temperature and humidity of the surrounding. Then I have used a breadboard. This breadboard is used for connecting the jumper wires and the DHT and the LCD screen to the Arduino Uno board. Then I have used some jumper wires for connection. I have used a 16x2 LCD screen, and then I have used a I2C module for connecting the LCD screen and then the Arduino Uno directly. I have used a Arduino Uno board. Then I have used a cable for connecting the computer and the Arduino Uno board. Now let me explain the working mechanism and the connections. I have connected the signal pin of the DHT double-on sensor to the pin 2 of the Arduino board. I have connected the VCC of the DHT double-on sensor to the 5V of the Arduino board via this line, and then I have connected the ground of the sensor to the ground of the Arduino board. Coming to the I2C module, I have connected the ground of the I2C module to the ground of the Arduino Uno board, and then I have connected the VCC, which is a power source, to the 5V of the Arduino using this line. And then I have connected the SDA, which is the data line, to the A4 of the Arduino Uno board. Then I have connected the SL, which is the clock line, to the A5 of the Arduino Uno board. Now let me explain the code to you. So this code contains two libraries, which is DHT library and Liquid Crystal I2C library. Here we can see that I have declared the DHT library here, and then we have defined the DHT pin 2, which is the signal pin that we have connected the sensor to the Arduino, and then we have included the liquid crystal I2C module here, and then we have declared this here. The 0x27 is the address of the 16x2 LCD screen, where we have declared 16x2. Here inside the void setup we have declared DHT.begin and then LCD.backlight and then LCD.begin. These are using for starting the sensor and then turning on the black backlight of the LCD screen and then starting the LCD screen. We can see that inside the void loop I have declared the LCD.clear, which will clear all the data entries and clear the screen. And then we have declared these lines LCD.print humidity, which will print humidity equal to in the LCD screen. And then if we are reading the humidity from the sensor and displaying it in the type float, and then we have printing percentage. Here we are setting the cursor to 0,1, which means that in the LCD screen here used, there are like two rows. So first we are declaring 0,0 here, so the humidity will print at the top, and then here we have declared set cursor 0,1, so the temperature will display in the second line of the LCD screen. We have used LCD.print here to print the temperature in Celsius. So we are reading the temperature here in the type float so that it can print the values in decimal points also. We are delaying it by 3 seconds because we don't need like immediate values which will disappear within 1 second. So we are delaying here by 3 seconds so that within 3 seconds we can note the values. Here we are using Again LCD is clear to clear the screen. So this loop will continue forever until we disconnect the Arduino board and the cable. Now let's connect the Arduino board. So we can here see that the humidity and temperature is displayed. We can see that for every 3 seconds the humidity and temperature is changing.